Hello, my name is Mark Evans. This is week 4 of MDFIII, and this week we did a hybrid project including a web app thing that you tie into a native app. But what I've done differently, not sure I would have done anything differently, kind of ran out of time. Just a few things that you could have used more clarification on. Not much there. Do you think hybrid applications have a place in mobile development? Why? I think so. I think it's actually a lot better doing it this way than using a wrapper like PhoneGap because it's a little bit more efficient. But I'm going to try to skip on to show you what I got. I already know the video is probably going to go longer than what it should. I know that there was no rubric this week, so I kind of have an idea what needs to be done, but hopefully you're not too harsh on us because I didn't have anything to reference. Anyway, here I'm going to showcase the app. Add friend. Okay, the internet's loaded. This is saved on the back end using parse. It kind of saved me a lot of coding to do for storage reasons. This right here is my native screen, the home screen. If you actually click the little people button up there, it just loads the list view up top here. If you click the other tab button, the plus sign, this goes to my web app, which is on my site. So let's first start off here. Let's just try to submit it without entering anything. We get a little yellow validation thing here. So we'll just put my brother's name, Josh, put Evans, put phone number, let's put a random number, we'll put Josh's email, which is a mixing match of information here. Okay, so before I start here, if I go to take picture, it will open up my camera app here where you can actually snap a picture. I don't really want to do that, but you can, and it'll save to the gallery. If I hit submit here, it'll save to the server and then come back to the main screen here. If you click on your new person that you entered, you'll get the detailed view. You can hit call and it will call somebody. I don't have a mobile network or SIM card in here, so it just kind of cancels out. If you hit email, you'll open up an implicit intent. You can open up whatever email client you want. I'll pick Gmail, and as you can see, it populates some information. It says hello friend, and the body information is all populated. So if I back out of here, it just saves the draft. But if I want to change my profile picture, I can go ahead and do that. I get my little galleries, whichever photos I want to select. I'll pick my wife. I'll put her on there, even though her name's not Josh. Populates on the screen, and that's what we got. Now, I'm back here to the main screen. I know that I didn't do anything to cache the image, so if I come back to Josh, it'll still show the default image. You'll have to do it over again. I didn't get that far with it, kind of running out of time, but I'm sure it's not too difficult to have that memorized, and I could even save it on the back end, whatever I want to do, you know. But I'm showing the implementation of how I can do these things. Now let's say I want to delete him. I can just delete the guy from the list, go back to my main list, and I'm back to just one contact. Same thing for the other one. Pretty basic. When you come into here, the web app, if you hit the take picture and you open up the camera app, I can actually snap a picture and hit the check mark, and I'll get a little toast saying it was saved to my storage and everything. And like I said, I'm basically, from there I can do a few different methods. I mean, I did the most practical, which is saving to the gallery, but you can save it to a server or whatever, depending upon how you want to do it. In this case, I'm just showing that I can pull a data intent from the native application from my web app, show you that I can do that. When you hit submit, it also sends an array of the data from all 4 of the fields over, so they can be used for parse to be used on the native side. So I'm showing multiple examples of me understanding the content. I don't have a rubric to cross-reference some of the exact details, but I just went off of the activity page. Hopefully it fully met the requirements. I think I have a pretty decent size complete app. If you actually come back here to the main page, I even did some connectivity checks as well. So I turned off my Wi-Fi. If I come back to the add player here, so we'll come back in here and I'll get a little prompt that says no connection. I try to load the add player screen. I just keep getting a no connection thing because I'm not connected to the internet. So I added a bunch of little fail-safe stuff, some validation on all different sides. I didn't really do full validation on the email. I made sure that you had to contain the @ symbol for the phone number. You had to have 12 characters, including the dashes. You can't just leave the name fields blank, but some basic validation just to show that I know somewhat what I'm doing. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully Peter did alright, and I guess I'll see you guys next month. Alright, take care. Bye.